In this question, you asked to learn a little bit about the team. Well, I can speak for the team pretty well. Smart, dedicated, hardworking. More than anything else, they believe in themselves and they believe in this team and they believe in the project. The team is me. This is my idea. I've got no funding. I've got no background. I don't have a degree in web design or computer information. Here's what I do have. A great idea, a lot of heart, a lot of passion, and I won't fail. I won't fail because this is all that I want to do, and I want to change the world. I need your help to do that. I need your help to guide me a little bit. Need some money too. But more than anything, give me an opportunity to tell the story about FreeQuar. Give me an opportunity to tell the story about FreeQuar and how it can impact and how it can change people's lives. Folks, I will tell you this, it is a game changer. Every entrepreneur says that. Everyone thinks they have the greatest idea in the world, and the next question you ask yourself is, well, why is your idea better? I'll tell you what. My idea is not better. My idea is unique. And what makes it unique and what makes it market-driven is what's going to change everything. Please, give me a chance to tell you more. I appreciate your time. Thank you.